How to get full view mode on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to get full view mode on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. Once you open up your app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now just simply tap Shift plus F button on your keyboard. Once you click on it, once you tap on it, your view only mode will be activated. To make it even fuller, just simply tap F11 key on your keyboard. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna get full view mode on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.